The Teachers' Day is celebrated every year on the 5th of September. The first day of Teachers' Week is celebrated on September 5th as a nationwide tribute to all teachers in India. The day, also known as Guru Purnima, is celebrated by honoring teachers for their dedication to their jobs and for the contributions they have made to the field of education. On this day, teachers are given gifts or a flower bouquet. Many schools also conduct special events for their teachers. On 15th September, Teachers' Day is an official holiday for the whole nation. The Teachers' Day is celebrated on 5th September to honor all the teachers and learners. Importance of Teachers' Day. Teachers' Day is one such event to which students and teachers equally look forward. The day is important for the students as it gives them a chance to understand the efforts put in by their teachers to ensure that they get a proper education. Similarly, teachers also look forward to the Teachers' Day celebration as their efforts get recognized and honored by students and other agencies as well. Why is Teachers' Day celebrated on the 5th of September? Teachers should be respected and honored. In India, on the eve of Teachers' Day, i.e. on the 5th of September, every year, Teachers' Day is celebrated on September 5th. Do you know why this date was chosen? The day marks the birth anniversary of Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan, who was an Indian scholar. He was also the second President of India from 1962 to 1967. The true teachers are those who help us think for ourselves. The purpose of education is to make good human beings with skill and expertise. Enlightened human beings can be created by teachers. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. Those who educate children well are more to be honored than parents, for these only gave life, those the art of living well. A good teacher can inspire hope, ignite the imagination, and instill a love of learning. A good teacher is like a candle that consumes itself to light the way for others.